bells.com.
I say goodbye, my Grand begin our a true great man with a heart of genuine benevolence and kindness. Before it all, we enjoyed learning, as I fondly call him, growing up and shared some fondest memories. We enjoyed our time with him. Back then, when I was much younger, we were members of the Grade Club, where he only took us on a routine basis and taught us basics of life, how to interact with people, how to share. I have many times recounted the patience and determination he put forth in making sure that we all learn how to swim. A man full of wisdom who shared it effortlessly with all around him. He spoke the truth at all times, and he had no fear in challenging authorities when they got it all wrong. Eternally, whenever I heard another video or interview, I secretly cringed knowing that he must have tried to set some food forth, regardless of how it may have sounded. That was why he wanted Peter Obi to be president.
Is the one that put up federal government to take over the State University so I could become a federal university. And today, the legacy of National University of Africa cannot be talked about without making reference to this one governor who fought and made it a possibility. For my government, Mr. President, I had never been president of organizing the worldwide. Indeed, when I lost spiritual and temporal, and this salvation I'm running but the man trying to mobilize the people to think for him. All my work has said already came. He lived a part of 9 lives. 9 may not be enough. Probably 20, 50, 100 lives. Like the other, depending on the part of the world, you describe it that way. But all legacies are not in the those basic principles, those values that we live for, and die for. The only way we can truly pay our covenants, the only way we can celebrate and say truly we appreciate the fact that such a soul traversed this land, such a soul as a gift by Anambra to the rest of the world. The only way we can immortalize is to say that those values, those principles, those ideas will never die. We will keep the light and keep the torch flying. That is the way we will go. As government and all principles that we live out for, we will continue to emphasize and equitable, effective Nigerian government practices. Nigerian